हेलो बच्चों, आज हम करेंगे अपनी डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एजुकेशन की वर्कशीट नंबर 69 क्लास 9 सब्जेक्ट साइंस। बेटा आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी। इट मीन्स एनर्जी कैन नीदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉर बी डिस्ट्रॉयड, इट कैन ओनली बी ट्रांसफॉर्म फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू अनदर। तो बेटा एनर्जी जो होती है उसे हम ना ही क्रिएट कर सकते हैं ना ही उसे डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं, बट हम केवल और केवल उसको वन फॉर्म टू अनदर फॉर्म कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं बेटा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेन एवर वी स्विच ऑन द बटन द बल्ब गेट ग्लो। तो हेयर द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्ट इनटू द लाइट एनर्जी। इट मीन्स वी कैन ओनली चेंज द form of the energy, not create or destroy the energy. So this is the law of conservation of energy, and this is the answer of your first question, student. Now take an example here. If we have a mass m, we have to made fall freely from the height h. At the start the potential energy is mgh and kinetic is 0 because the object is at a height, it has no velocity, so total energy is mgh. But whenever we allow it to falls, then the potential energy changes into the kinetic energy and the formula changes to half mv square. But students, the total energy, potential plus kinetic, is always constant, and these both energies are collectively known as the mechanical energy, as you can see in the picture. At a certain height, the potential energy is maximum but the kinetic is 0 because it has no velocity. When it starts to fall, then potential energy decrease because the height goes on decreasing, and the kinetic energy increase because its velocity increases. And when it reaches finally to the ground, then its potential energy is minimum, but the kinetic energy is maximum. Okay. Let's do the exercise. First, I told you the first answer. Second, why does the oscillating bob eventually come to the rest? Due to the air resistance. So what is the answer? Due to air resistance. But this not violate the law of conservation of energy. Third one, we have to complete that table, students. We have to create that the total energy remain conserved. You have given here 800 joules. Now what is the kinetic energy here? Kinetic energy is 0. So the total energy 800 plus 0 equals to 800. Okay. Now for the next one, when the height is 3, formula is mgh. M is 20 here, g is 10, height is 3, so it is 600. So the value is here 600, but total is 800, so 600 plus 200. Here 600 plus 200, that is 800. Next one, mgh. M is 20, g is 10, but now the height is 2, so it is 400. So potential energy is 400, kinetic is also 400, and their total is 800. Now in the next case, the height is 1 meter. M is 20, G is 10, and height is 1, so it is 200. So here the potential energy is 200. Kinetic is 800 minus 200, 600. So here 200 plus 600, that is equals to 800. Last, just above the ground. So just above the ground it is 0. So this is totally 0 plus 800, that is equals to 800. So I think this table is very easy. You can now understand the law of conservation of energy, that the sum of the both the energies, that is potential energy or kinetic energy, remains constant. because here the energy remains constant, that is 800. So student, this worksheet is very easy. If you like that worksheet, share with your friend circle, subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you.